Wrong one. There you go. Joe Graterus, hey there, Mr. Coder. Professional coder to professional coder. This is sort of fun, mate. Let me load some music too. I think there is a category on Twitch for coding. I don't care. We'll do just chatting. It's the only category that works on Twitch these days. Piano album. Six full album. Let's see. Okay. 1 second here, mates. We just have it very soft. Like background music. Okay, maybe this is too soft. Better order. Alright, so I wanted to show today how I make my bot and just get some work done. Just be aware that you have to stay awake for Vampire Survivor DLC, so don't overdo it. Unfortunately, it seems it's not coming to PS5 in half an hour, as I thought. They're manually releasing it at the same hour as everybody else. So I'll just have to wait. Gonna have to wake up early. I think it's at 11 AM for us. Alright, so yeah. So normally you guys never get to see this, but I have my own logo and everything, right? This is my debug. You guys only see this, right? But then I have like some like testing options like this. I can just like this is how I quickly test different settings. I can put the name of a channel. Let's say Lodi, right? And I logged in. And now you can just join. Obviously, everything comes. I use very little like actual tools from Godot. It's pure coding what I have. So for this one on button dress generation, right? I create like however many characters I want, like 2 for example. I can specify the name of the character, like Cloud, and on which cycle I want to be at, and just like that, boom. It has 2. It has 2 clouds. So these are a little bit of my debug options. Actually, I got all the themes here. You wanna see the horror? So this is my script where I have all the attacks in the game, right? Let me reorganize it a little bit. You will see the worst ones that are more hard-coded. There is certain ones that are like very specific and they're very hard-coded, but the majority of them are kinda like this. where I just have all the properties, right? Like if it is an element, how much base power it has, which animation it uses, what message should it display, if it has any status effect, and how it should blink the enemy when it gets attacked. And this is all I need to create an attack, really. Like everything that gets passed, everything gets passed onto the correct other scripts that handle, you know, the damage formula, if it's hitting weakness or not, you know, like all of that goes in a chain. So whenever I do attacks, you know, they just kind of look like this. Also I have like different settings, and the magic change depending if you have more magic or not. Fire becomes fire, Firaga, etc. The ones that are a little bit more hard-coded are... actually, not this one. Let's see. This is where all the damage formula happens. It's like a mess, right? There is a lot of variants that can happen, and then it passes. Like, does the enemy has a counter? Create a basic animation, which the basic animation changes depending on some properties that I add or not on the base of attack. And then, you know, like limit break logic and stuff. You know, your enemies of the attacks are supposed to give you limit break and all that. Then I have other commands that are kind of like, the attack itself is called Tifa. And whenever she gets a turn, this is the first thing that gets checked and sees, okay, is she in a combo, is she not? And if it is in which part of the combo, does like somersault, water kick, or dolphin blow, and things like that. That's basically all of it. Whenever I need like more character specific stuff, I just create like an attack code like that. Like for example, Zack has the modulating phase, right? And because the modulating phase can be one attack or the other, I check here and then call the correct attack whenever it's time. As you can see, this is the only thing I have. It can be any of these things. And like that, every single attack in the game. Some are a bit more complicated, right? Especially the last ones that I have been doing. They got a lot going on. But let's say I want to copy paste, I don't know, like cross slash, right? I just go and do this, cross slash, boom. Search for it and boom, there it is. I can just like, boom, copy and do a version of it where I change the animation and the properties and all that. So I managed to mainstream quite a lot the process of adding new attacks. Especially since I programmed all... I programmed like so many different type of attacks. Whenever I want to program a new one, chances are I already programmed one already that fits the bill. I just need to change properties. A lot of work has gone into this, obviously. The jumping mechanics I need to like redo because they are like fucking awful. This was me figuring out animations. And they're a fucking mess. It works, but it's a fucking mess. Chances are I'm just gonna be deleting all the jumping and I'll do it from the beginning now that I know how to do it better. You know, just redo it. And yeah. Luckily, balancing is pretty easy because the only thing I need to do is change the base power of things whenever I think something is too OP or too weak. So the character I wanted to make now is Lightning. So I'm gonna be showing a little bit the process for it, I guess. Let's start with As Sprite. This is the program that I use for As Sprite. This is the program I use for all the 2D shenanigans. So I have 2 layers. One of them is like just to see, like to position the characters properly, making sure that it's consistent. Because when you have animations on sprites, right, you cannot want them to behave the same way, no matter which character, especially in a game like this. So let's say, hold on, sprite. Let me search for the sprite of lightning, for example. Lightning. Right. Okay. So we have the full sprite here. Now we want to make this an actual playable character, right? This is unusable. Coño, no esperaba pillarte a estas horas. Pues mira, me pillas explicando. Si te da curiosidad cómo hago todo el bot, lo vas a poder ver en acción. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna be doing is the sprite itself. Right, making sure we select the right layer, and then we align the 2 characters for the next animation. The preparation, which is this. This sprite is gorgeous, actually. What the hell? Right, we swap, making sure it makes sense animation-wise. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that makes more sense. This is the one I use for attack. Is it this one? If it makes sense. I use this animation for like many things, like jumping and stuff. This. Okay. So this is disaligned. I will use. There it goes. And then one for her being hard. The only way I typically use that sprite is when a character is downed, because I wanted to not make my sprites way too complicated, because the plan is to add 100 characters, right? I reduced the amount of sprites that are typically used. But at first, on the first prototype that I was doing of this, like, yeah, the characters will have like also like getting hard animations, you know, like receiving damage and stuff, but ultimately it wasn't really worth it to go that far. I might come back to that concept in the future, but yeah, for now, no. And then one for casting magic. Oh, this sprite is gorgeous, actually. Crazy how good it looks. Fantastic, right? So we make sure that there is no artifacts or anything weird. Yeah. So now we export it as lightning. Chances are I'm gonna end up misspelling this at some point. This is a complicated name. Right. So we got lightning in game. Now we just need to, you know, make head attacks. And this is where I usually, you know, sit down for a while to think what I want to do with the character. So for example, I think about the game it comes from and think about what it could possibly like make sense coming from that game. So what's the main thing you do in Final Fantasy 13? It's like swap roles, right? Like you swap to Commando, to Ravager, to Medic, and all that. So I want to create Lightning using that concept. So how do we do it? We design what we want to do. We want her to swap stances, right? Commando, Ravager, and Medic, which are her main roles, right? And I can already tell this is gonna turn into a complicated character, because she will have like 3 different roles. Cecil also worked like this, but this one, he only swapped between 2 jobs, right? Like Cecil and Dark Cecil. This one is gonna be 3. So Commando is like a physical attacker, right? We want to have what are the typical things the Commando does? Launch, right? Throwing the enemy to the sky. And the other one, Blitz, which is the AoE. Boom. That's it, right? Just damage. Ravager, what does it do? Casting magic and being fast in general. So I want to give it like the normal Thunder spell. That's kind of what she does whenever she's on Ravager. But also I want to give her a Spark Strike, right? That ability where she does a physical attack that deals Thunder and is very fast, right? She recovers fast. So I'm probably gonna give it a, I don't know, like 25% ATB refund. And then when she decides to be a medic, she's gonna cure, and right now I don't have anything but curing, to be honest. So for now we're gonna leave it like that, 5 attacks, right? Complicated character compared to the rest. Now, how is she gonna operate? She's gonna have, let's say, I want her to be like swapping constantly, right? Because that's how you do it in Final Fantasy 13. So I want her to be, what would be a good concept? If she doesn't detect anything, she's gonna be Commander. If normal battle, then Commando. If she detects Thunder weakness, she swaps to Ravager. If party average is low HP, then she medics. I don't know if this concept will be... Oh shit, my keyboard just changed constantly here. This becomes medic. And just like that I have the concept of the character, right? From here, like I just try to make it work. It's like it's easier when you have a plan. So let's start with it. First of all, we're gonna be starting with the launch, right? And at first I'm gonna make it very simple. The worst part is gonna be the animation. I just recently created an animation engine. I do have some already done, like for example move to target and stuff. So the next one I want to create is move to target. We can copy paste this because we want to launch the enemy to the sky, right? Launch enemy. Gonna be a funny animation. And this is gonna be me already serious. I can already tell this is gonna take some hours, but not to move. It's gonna be the target. And the target is gonna be... this we can remove. Now I'm gonna get an error because I no longer have a target variable. That's fine. We can use this one. Node to move. And the position... position dot y minus 20, will that work? Te dejo que me levanto 5 horas para correr, pero me veré en la empresa el stream porque me da curiosidad. Buenas noches, hombre, muchas gracias, hombre. Espero que descanses y que vaya bien. And then we do the same. But it's gonna be plus 20. So we return to the normal position. Right. We don't need to give it a frame because it's gonna be just moving the enemy. And to test it, target attacker, yeah. We do move to target and then launch enemy. And I don't know if this is gonna work. Never ever goes first try for me, but we'll see. If I press this, yeah. Yeah. Set trans on null value. Null value. Huh? Set trans on null value. And this is the part that I hate figuring out exactly what does it mean by that. Type is matched initial and final value. Vector 2 and float. Because it wants a vector 2. Huh? And this is a vector 1. That's the issue. How do I solve this? I mean, this is not gonna work if I do this. I'm just gonna like do it weird. Just, again, this is a vector 2. Yeah, I understand the problem. The solution is not so simple. We could. There's a better solution for this, actually. We can do this. We can offset to the top instead. Instead of moving the sprite itself. This will work. Yeah, that works. Right, we just need to get more potency. Holy shit, that was like pretty shitty jump. A pretty shitty launch. I don't wanna make it too hardcore though. Okay, maybe too fast. Make it a bit slower. That works. I will just give it a small animation, I guess. Bam, bam, bam. And for that, I do have I do have a good animation for it. Explosion mini to play, and we need to give it a position. Will equal to node to move dot position. Right. We need to wait until, yeah. Okay. Let's create another function for this. Function landing launch. We could set delay actually. Set delay. How was this done? Will this work? Whoa. How do we do this? I'm gonna call this launch enemy 0 because in the future I want other like characters to, yeah. Wait. Hop info pass. This will work too. But it doesn't hop back though. Oh, it's jump back. I want that explosion to happen at the end. That's the tricky part. Wait. Landing. Launch. Info pass. Doesn't exist. That's fine. We'll copy paste this for now. We're gonna call it landing launch. We're gonna remove everything that we don't need, which is all of this. And in theory, whoa. Da-da-da-da-dum. No, still does it right away. This is tricky, mates. Oh. Oh, it's actually working. It's just that I forgot to remove this. Oh, no, it's too slow. Okay. Yo, hello. Okay, we can probably make the explosion look a bit better. I'm gonna copy it. I want to make it look below the characters, right? So we need to put it kinda like here. Gonna call this one shadows, because they're gonna meant to be behind. Paste that. Oh shit! Put it on the wrong spot. Put inside shadows. Right, and we're gonna edit this a little bit. Because right now it ain't great. Make it repeat a little bit. 6.5 is better. We're gonna skew it. Boom. That will make it more like a landing effect, right? And it will actually look like it's behind the sprites in theory, it's not? Yo, why is it moving so weirdly? There you go. Oh, I think I know why. It's because of the C index. There you go. Much better. Oh, we just need to tweak this a little bit. Okay. What the hell? Okay, we definitely want it to be lower. I got the bottom of the sprite. Position Y will equal position Y plus 30, and we need to specify position X now because of this. A plus 15. A lot better, right? Boom, and then we got a launch. When the launch happens, I would like to change the sprite of the attacker. We make it do a spin or something stupid. Nah, too complicated. Target the attacker. Target sprite will equal 1, 2, I believe. That's the one I use for attacks. Whoa. What happened? Oh, frame. It's frame, no sprite. Look at the smoother. We can make it launch even higher, to be honest, but I don't know if this is gonna be too much. Bonk. It's such a fun animation though. And just like that, we got the launch Frontlining. Done. Now, I'm not gonna do it right now, but I would like... the reason I call it launch 0 is because I want other characters to follow on the launch for the attack, so they will just jump. After, right? They will jump and then bonken while it's on the air. But this is gonna be the variant with no follow-ups. Okay, so I'm gonna be creating an actual function. I'm gonna call it skeleton launch, which means it's just gonna make everything be in one go. So I just need to call this function. Like this. This won't work because I need the damage to happen in between and all that, right? Right. So the next thing we want, or the next thing we need is the attack itself. We're gonna copy cross slash. I'll call it launch. It's gonna have a base power of like 30. That could do. Dude, is the cross slash really 30? That's a blunder. What the hell? I forgot to buff it. So it's not gonna have no animation. We're not gonna play any animation on this. And the damage is gonna come in 2 parts. On the launch enemy 0. Then we change the base power to like 20, so it's like 50 in total. I do not know if this is gonna work. Bro, what are you doing? Hey, Bgram. I'm programming right now on my bot. Mostly passing the night. Trying to make a launch system for the characters like this. Bonk. Fun stuff. No miscellaneous. Alright, this is definitely gonna be glitchy. Alright, so next thing we need to do is to actually create the data for character. So it exists. Cydia, no, not the backups. This is where all I have all the data for all my characters. Let's make a template very quickly. And let's call it line in. This is gonna be fast as fuck. One attack for now. It's gonna be the launch. No limit breaks. Which language is it? This is GD script. This is using the Godot engine. It's pretty similar to Python if you're familiar with it. Extremely similar. Alright. Alright, this is gonna be a failure. I can already feel it. I'm gonna crash, but it's this. Line in. She's already dead. Lol. Whoa. I think I know what happened over there. I think I know what happened over there. What was it? Physical single. I do have a tag for this escape animation. I just need to enable that. Launch. Okay. It should maybe work now? Question mark. Well, not really. The damage didn't come out like properly over there. What happened exactly? I just deal damage twice, but why did it happen like immediately like that? Do we need to not wait on this one? It just kinda happens immediately, and that's not like it just happens at the end, and that's not what I want. So I need to add this to close slash before I forget. Escape animation. Okay, it was already done. Sorry. How did I solve this earlier? Yeah, give it an await, but With cross slash, it kind of happens like. Oh, I think I know. I should happen right before the launch. Maybe this will work now. Yep. Oh, that blinking is a problem though, but... And same deal here. Right before the jump back. No, this guy's gonna kill me in one go. He's never meant to have Demon Rush, but I always leave it as a debuff there and always forget to remove it. That's kinda how I test AoE attacks. Yeah, that works perfectly now. Beautiful. Well, we got the first attack done. The next one is Bleed, which is much simpler, luckily. Using to copy one of the... well, starting... That should be simpler. We just need to make a proper animation, that's all. We make lightning go to the center? I guess we do. Now we're just gonna make her move to the target, I believe. That's more how it works in FF13. She doesn't move to where the bulk of the enemies are, she just moves to the enemy and does blitz. So... okay, thinking how I want to do this. I guess same deal. We copy the cross slash. We call it Blitz. Potency of 40. The animation I created earlier. It's called Blitz. No paralysis. I need to create the skip animation for the AOEs. Physical instead of single, physical multi. That should already work on its own. Oof. And now we need to patch up the multi. Hey, Triplot. Hello, mate. Let's see. So we got this. This is the key. Multi. Alright, in theory, now let's give her the attack. Lightning. We're just gonna give her this for now. Blitz. Ba-da-da-dum. I don't know if I can make it so... Like, will this work? Before jumping back? Whoa! No. Because there's not an await called. I don't know. Does this animation look okay? Why is the blink so slow too? I guess the animation could be a bit bigger. Whoa. Wait, what? Is this right? Or is this transform so fucking epic? Oh, never mind. Yeah, no, I was looking at the wrong place. Offset, no. Scale, there you go. 1.5 times. A bit better. Now we're entering on acceptable terrain. The other one is the Thunder Strike. We can pretty much copy paste this one. But we need to reduce the power. Because it's already gonna be giving ATB refund. Probably no. Should not be copying that one. It's this one. I think it was called Thunder Strike, right? Element Thunder. Let me double check. F13 Thunder Strike. F13 Lightning Ravager commands. Frozen Strike. Spark Strike is called. Okay. Let's make it yellow. Physical single. And we're gonna give it ATB refund. How was that done? Quick hit. There you go. Give it this property by a quarter. In theory, this should already work. Minus, I didn't give it the proper animation. Just shift break. Now let's give her the actual attack. Spark Strike. Actually, let's swap it so it's Thunder. Will make more sense this way. And just like that, we finish all the attacks from her. Now we just need an actual AI. Ow, ow, ow. Function. Oh, lightning. What? Oh my god, just my keyboard just keeps swapping. Pass. Right. So I want to check if the enemy has an elemental weakness, and if it do, swaps. So the first thing I should do is swapping maybe. Yo! What is that? Oh my god, it's Lara! Oh my god, I'm embarrassed to show you my coding, mate.
City boink 3, city boink 3, city boink 3, city boink 3,
oh god.
City boink 3.
Mate, I'm a little bit embarrassed. Here's my game in action. It's probably has like very crunchy coding. You're gonna go like, what the fuck is going on there? But now I'm working on a new character, which is Lightning, and I was working on some animations. I don't know if you know the character Lightning. Oh, okay, well that's very bad testing. Can make it super big. Fix city's name. Bonk. Ah, nice. Have you seen that crazy animation though? Yeah, it can pop. We've seen it a couple of times. But I'm not very satisfied how it works right now. I'll probably make it better. Very, very soon. None, that's the issue. Some missions look a bit rough, right? We should make this jump back a bit more aggressive. Character animations. Let's increase the strength of the jump. Jump back. Oh, it's the hop. To 25 maybe. More coding from you. More coding from me. That looks more like a jump, right? The problem is, I think we need a shadow to make obvious that, you know, she's jumping. Because she kind of looks like she's kind of like... If I'm already present as a white mage on the field, especially if City cannot appear as an enemy, but has very low chance to come to throw a single attack on the current boss. On the reverse, if I join, special cities here, I join her side. Oh my god, that's probably too complicated, mate. I don't know if I can make that work that easily. Alright, so that's the mission works. Making you code. My hands are already full. My hands are already so full. Let's see if it is more in front. See, the jump is more obvious there, but... The animation not yet, because it's not so easy to add a sprite like that. This is static. If fix my name display, okay. Let's see, where will I be able to put this? Database, generate an event list, generate new, no, not there. Character gen. Don't listen to this. These are just different formations. This is when I was still learning how to code. These days I do more. A bit more efficient code. But there is some remainings from when I started doing this project very early, where there is a lot of like if switches like this. It was like, oh my god. I cringe just just watching it now. It's a string and yeah. Nothing against it. Now I'm gonna show you something you are gonna hate, however. This soon I'm gonna be completely scrapping and removing. Well, first of all, this is terrible too, but that's not what I want to. The way I do my ATVs is a fucking nightmare. I want to completely scrap that and redo it. Now that I know a lot better. Print the ATV now. Just get ready, mates. Get ready. Global ATV timeout. Look at this. Look at this mess for increasing the ATV. Send me on Discord a function you want to write. Why? It's okay, I will do it. Look at this. Can you figure it out anything aquí over here? Because I don't, and I made it. It's gonna take me, literally it's gonna take me 5 minutes to rewrite all of this in like a quarter of all this code. I just need to stop being lazy and do it. This is by far the worst I have on the bot. Send me the whole function, okay. Paste it on gist of GitHub. Oh shit, do we need to open a project or something? I mean, I can, but I don't know why you want it. 1 second. If you wanna fix it, there is no way it's gonna work the same, right? Oh man, it's too long. I can send a paste bin. Create new page bin. It's a horror, mate. Like, just, I don't think you should even look at it at all. I do this much better these days. It's a 4 if, so all of these gets run like 6 times. And 3 more for the enemies. Alright, let's go back to fixing your name. First of all, when joining... Right, this is 1 point. If name does equal city Lara, Alright, so I need to figure out a way to check on the enemy. Variable check enemy will equal FFBot target. Check Discord. There you go. What is this? Wait, you fixed it? Change the characters and life based on their HP. Wait, what? This is not made from ChatGPT, right? Because ChatGPT is fucking awful for GD script. Unfortunately. Main reason is night. Okay, good night, mate. Read the comments. I can give this a try, but I will need to make a security copy because ChatGPT doesn't know how to program on this. Like every time I copy paste anything from ChatGPT, it's just nothing but errors. It's because you don't know how to query it. Well, more like because ChatGPT confuses GDScript 3 with 4, which is completely different languages. So it just gives you like a mix of the two. Because you're lacking the good context. No, mate, it's just... I mean, I do specify it. I always say, like, in Godot 4, how do I do this? And then proceed to tell me something from Godot 2 that no longer works. There are 8 major ones. I mean, I understand what you're saying. The Canva version? How much are you asking? That's the big question. But simple lines. If you ask him like something very simple, how to animate a twin in Godot 4, it's gonna take you a function that it simply doesn't work. And it's like one line that has been long deprecated since 2 years ago. Here, in this case, it didn't matter because I asked it for refactoring. It doesn't need to know the exact API. No. Don't do that. I mean, I don't now. That I learned the lesson of not trusting ChatGPT for GDScript. ChatGPT is great for like finding like logical solutions and things like that. The minimum question is 3 line long. Also, don't use GPT-4, use 4 minimum or Canvas or 1. I just use the one that I have access to. I mean, I'll give this a try, but like, given my experience that I got with ChatGPT, like, I know that it's gonna be already like, it's gonna be completely broken. Like, I'm gonna be getting like null issues and things like that. SAT plus... Hey, Jack. No SAT. Got the corporate version, an advanced one. I'll flag it as a beta tester, damn. A big fish. I'll give this a try, but I need to make a security copy. Or I guess I can... It's gonna be a bit tricky to implement these two. Do-do-do-do. Well, I'll look at it later. I can only focus on one thing at a time. Severe difference on my quality when I query it with my account or I query it with an external site that doesn't use my account. You think they're running like secret models like that? Check enemy ID. So this will give me like 100 or so. Check enemy name. Table dot modify the model 4 times per week. Jesus. A pre-prompt. What is that? Like, does it predict what you're gonna write? Actor list ready. Check enemy ID. Unit. That should give me the name of the enemy itself, and now we check if it has a weakness. Enemy database. I will simplify this once I have a structure. Enemy database. Check enemy name. Oh, right. Okay. Check weakness. There you go. Lightning. Do I used to put? Thunder. Oof, I just realized I made a mistake. There's a prompt before that, otherwise the model can answer you. It is also the part that contains all the ethical rules, and that thing is it's a massive thing, about 7,000 words. Well, going quickie. Nep. Good night, mate. Thank you again for the help. I think in theory, let's give it a try very quickly. Join in and see if the name appears properly. There you go. You should add if someone gives cookies to NepJ to trigger a Nep to come and deal damage. I could do that. Some cookies fall or something. Oh, wait, it updates. Actually, hold on. It updates because I have another function for it. One thing is when it joins for the first time, another one is when the battle starts. God, that is wild. Back then, with a manual counter, Jesus Christ. That was bad. Uh, 2, 4, 6. Boom. Okay, let's give it another go, City. Say anything in chat after this. Let's see when the battle starts. This will remain as City Lara now. Can't believe I'm making this exception. City Lara. Oh man! No, this is here. There you go. Next battle that starts should get fixed. Okay, you got a win, mate. Come on, throw some holy. Oh my god. Alright, let me restart. City, you joining again. Alright. Am I helping? Yes, you are, Triplet. City Lara. What? The fuck? Oh. Okay. Now for real. Now for real. Oh my god. I'm so terrible. One more time, City. One more time. This is why coding is so time consuming for me, because I'm so shit at very small details. I have to like repeat things constantly. There you go. Now it works. I think you're not winning this battle though. Well, you might. If you get lucky enough. You have the best heals in the game, pretty much. If you decide to heal, that is. You might decide to bonk. Perfect music for this. City is not in the healing mood today. It was a tier 5 boss. Unfortunately. Too tired. Alright. Well, thank you for stopping by and thank you for the help, City. Sorry to keep you. hopefully we can keep talking about that the website where I can add the characters and hook it to this in the future. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Print. Check weakness. I don't know if this is gonna give me an error, but we're gonna soft lock the game upon trying this. Spark Strike should be element. Oh, it's already Thunder. Never mind. Jesus. Hopefully I didn't fuck it up. No. I should print that through. Whoa. Guardians Covenant Mess. Invalid get index. What, seriously? Ba, 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 da, 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 ba, da, bum, ba, da, bum. Ba-da-ba-da-bum. This will work. Para que this every 8 on base. Did I type this incorrectly? Enemy Oh, yes. Yes. Enemy database. Enemy list. That should be it. What? Cannot find it. What do you mean? Cannot find it. You should find it. I mean, list. It was the issue. Oh, I believe could it be? I forgot I no longer really use the enemy list command. I use it for a different thing. It's for the formations, not for the list of the enemies itself. It is true. Do. One budget around 100 in the gold XP. Is it because of this, the bugger? Oh, it's just like a very small things. Like variables that I don't use and all that, but that I might use in the future. It's just like, hey, you have 135 things in memory, but it's absolutely nothing, right? It doesn't occupy even like 20 kilobytes. Oh, I see. 99 bucks in the code, 99 bucks in the code. Big one out, parts around 100. Yeah. Well, I'm glad to know that I'm not the only one with that issue. Oh my god, man. I just cannot release anything without breaking everything in the process. And fix the whole mess. Reminds me to that Simpson episode where he throws these the screws to the toilet. Basically the same. But with programming you try to fix one thing only to get 8 new issues. And that's not even its final form. If check. Equals true. I don't like to do what I'm about to do. A nested if. But Godot is a bit particular if it doesn't find a true value. So we might come to the case where this might be false, and if I don't put it inside here, then I will get a crash. Thunder. 2 igual weakness. Then she will transform into the Ravager roll. Well, I guess she can use she doesn't need to transform actually. Head bashing later and mark it all, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V and then it worketh. Yo. Code works in mysterious ways. And who knows, it might be like one random space here, like this for example. This random space here, and then it will break everything. Something like that. Yeah, that's so mysterious that just copy pasting something and it suddenly works. I'm a pretty bad programmer myself. I'm completely self-taught, so I'm pretty much just learning by hammering things over and over and over and over and over and over until they work. Attack list. And we're gonna make it an array. One is gonna be Thunder. The other is gonna be Spark Strike. We could declare the list here. And we need to call the attack here and then return, because yeah, otherwise it wouldn't make sense. We will have to make an exception for this, another one for this, and that's not good. Everything, and then just copy paste 100% the same code, nothing deleted, nothing moved. That sounds like some ghost was trapping in there or something, mate. That's so mysterious. Honestly, I mean, I can relate. Totally. Sometimes these machines don't make any sense. Right, what was on this one, for example? Call. Pick random, so I will choose one of those randomly. Target. We're gonna be calling the function attack list, and we're gonna be passing the info pass variable, and then we return. So if there is weaknesses to Thunder, she will choose to do these two things. The next will be checking if she's gonna be healing or not. And for that I have a function already that calculates the percentage of the HP. Let me copy it from this. I will need to do some math here. Check heal target. Okay. I do have a function already that calculates the percentages. Second check if is gonna be seen if what is happening here? Expected closing after call argument. All right. Check how check percent. What is happening here? The more I look at this statement, the less I get. What is being the oh no, I get it now. This has nothing to do with this error for some reason, but It was tripping me out. What do you mean? Like, I need to close with a parenthesis. Like, what? It was a very weird error. So this will give me the percent. If check percent is less than 26%, then she's gonna choose to heal. It's gonna be doing this. And then she's gonna cure info pass and then return. This will be probably first, right? And if nothing else, then she will choose to commando. Attack this, or launch, or blitz. And just like that, we got a functional character. Well, we need to test her, but... And this is my least favorite part, mates. Testing that the character works. We haven't made a limit break for her. What should we do? I guess her multi-hit thunder attack, whatever it was called, the one that just hits a million times. Just make 6 of them and just see the behavior, I guess. Just temporarily, we are gonna be making it so she will choose to heal if a character is below 50%. Just temporarily. We'll head for testing. There is no way I'm not gonna crash the bot right away. Yep. So what happened? Oh, this happened. Well, I didn't crash the bot, but I soft locked it. So we're gonna die immediately because this is like tier freaking 5. We're just gonna see the battle. And for a while. See, she chose to use Thunder because she knew it was weakness. This one is weakness too. I don't remember if this is weak to Thunder. Whoa, 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 whoa. I think it's because the enemy just attacked it right away. Okay, the next thing I want to try is if it heals. Why does it go directly? It has like no chills. I kinda love how they actually attack with thunder to the robots. We need the enemies to deal some more damage to these linings. Come on. We're never gonna get hit, mates. This is getting close to 50%. Okay, now they should be healing. Yep. Good targeting, let's say. Right, now we need to ready the limit break from her. How was it called? F13 lightning. Let me break. Army of one. Okay, so we're gonna make it so it's like a million hits. No paralysis, please. Physical barrage. For the barrage, I needed this. It's gonna be 7 hits. Okay, in theory this should work. Ba-da-ba-da-da-dum. Okay, everything correct. Let's see if they can limit break properly. Well, after we die this. Another glitch I need to finish is that launch animation is not playing the explosion. Oh, give me the F7 one, please. Nice, that's the perfect one for limit breaks. The problem is it's not gonna get an attack. This might take a while until we see one limit break, mates. Why is this group dominating this match? Holy shit, man. Turns out a group of 6 lightnings is insane for Midgar, where everything is just weak to Thunder. There goes the limit breaks. Jesus Christ. They glitching out, mate. What is happening? Oh, it's because of these miscellaneous question mark. Is this replacing this? Speed up the testing a little bit. They're gonna let me break now all the time. You guys know why it takes me so long to create new characters? What? Yo, what is happening? Oh, no. I know exactly why. I know why this is happening. I haven't fixed this yet. There you go. Okay. That should not happen. Okay, one last check. If they pass this test, then we got a new character, mates. Kinda love that that double thing. I need to fix that glitch, but it actually looks kind of funny when they do two actions at the same time like that. I think this works perfectly fine, mates. Just like that. We got a new character. Let's make sure to fix the healing here. It's like less than 30%, less than 31. Then she will attempt to heal. Lightning. Alright, mates. Who wants to try the bot? Alright, go for it. Do, 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 do. Kuja versus the world. Hopefully we can pop lightning soon. Do, 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 do. Since lightning is bound to be like a pretty good character, right? She's always gonna be hitting weakness every time she attacks with thunder. Guaranteed. Her AI is... If there is an ally at less than 30% HP, she will heal them. If an enemy has a thunder weakness, she will attack with the thunder abilities. And if not, she will do the launch or the AoE. That's basically her role swapping stance. I could make it more visual. I might. You know, like she's swapping roles. Yeah, you really are soloing everything. I need to make a command to guarantee spawns or something like that. Yeah, the bot looks amazing in full screen like this. I love that you call it these characters wimps. That is because I used to have other testing characters that were called God. God 1, God 2, God 3, God 4. But they were like way too powerful and it was difficult to test enemy counters with them and things like that. And different behaviors. So I made the wimps in their stead, and ever since I've been using the wimps for testing for everything. Haven't touched the gods. Ba-da-ba-bam. Just flaring everything, mate. Your damage is off the charts. I need to start reworking the Final Fantasy VIII characters, man. I've been ignoring them for too long. That's all the magic. No HP compared to Tevos though. Well, at least you can blast things fast. Somebody has to. Yo! That dragon literally survived at 1 HP. Yeah, that's very good, mate. That is very, very good. Damn, we're not popping lightning, eh? We are not popping the lightning. Poor Quistis. She got the lower end of the stake in the entire FF8 launch. I'm gonna make her a goddess on her rework, mate. For all the shit she has eaten. I still think Marcus might be one of the most cracked characters. Marcus, Freya... Kuja is extremely good too. It's very good potencies. But Marcus has more potency than Kuja. Any magic users are welcome. But she will have to be an hybrid, right? Because she has all these blue magics that can be anything. That's the tricky part, right? About making characters that don't sign with one stat. I could make it so it chooses whatever stat is higher. But yeah. Irvine used to be a god too, but he has been power crept after the Final Fantasy IX limit break patches. Because he doesn't have a limit break on his own. Yeah, you couldn't solo the new game +5, mate. What the heck? I thought you were cool, Triplot. Well, if you want lifesteal, either Freya or... Chain Carne. Oh, she has been buffed, actually. I should probably join you pretty quickly. Hey, Dragon. No limit for Irvine. What blasphemy. We'll fix that in the incoming days and weeks. Now, whenever she braves, whenever she increases the attack of the party, she also heals them in AoE. You know, what you would expect from a healer. Nice, 2 physicals to cheer too. So she's a pretty decent support now, I'll say. Her heals are consistent too. But she doesn't revive like Echo does. On the plus side, she can become a god attacker, because she can double Holy. Well, not double Holy, no. She can cast Holy. Like, she multiplies her magic by 1.5 and then cast a Holy. So would then notice getting an Among Us type of game. Wait, really? Like for Steam. Elbow. Don't worry, I'm used to elbow. Yeah, sounds very cool. Tell me more about it. Have they show it? Any gameplay? Yet your Garnet is dealing more damage than Kuya. The reason why is because, as I said, she multiplies her own magic before, like, when transing. Just 10,000 more damage, mate. You know, you should try BB Triplot. He's also a god caster. Hit more than Garnet Holly does. Holy shit, that actually deals like so much. Wait, what? You watch out with that potency though. What potency did I give it? 800? Wait a second. Seven, that's fine. Why was it dealing so much? Oh, cause it's just... You understand this for the health of the game, right? Oh god, I crashed it. Actually, nah. I'm gonna keep the potency as it was, but what I'm gonna do is so it's not an spammable one. Because 2 charges is the spammable. Like that's what Clean Hazard gets from Cloud, but it has less potency and a single target. I'm gonna increase the charge to 5. I still like it that Flare Star does like a massive pop. Just maybe less often. Damn, I didn't realize I made it that strong. Alright, everybody joining. I don't have Yuna. Can I boost you? Change. Eiko. I'm so bad at balancing the game, mate. I need to have like one person figuring out all the numbers for me. Like how things should be, that makes sense. I am terrible at game balancing. I'm surprised nobody ever uses Terra. She's also pretty good. Lilo. Yo, Jack. Hello, mate. Welcome in. Now it's not as sad. You're able to play. We're just waiting for Lightning to appear, so you guys can hire her. Oh wait, can I have the video too? Or wait, you probably sent it to me already. Oh yeah, it is here. Oh my god, they're actually using those please tell me we are not playing with those scaff figures. Jesus. That was the mellow one, right? Yeah, I like the graphics, minus the gameplay itself. All according to Keikaku. Nom. Yeah, we should definitely check out that game once it comes out. That's for sure. Be goofy fun with some friends, yeah. The Kanda Sass meme is gonna come back. I deal like no fucking damage. Oh shit, I don't have Terra. I don't have Terra. Did you send recently? No, a while back. Back when the system was still like that. But because I've been playing like Meta for Fantasio and other games that don't allow me to like play too much the bot. Like clicking outside. of the window, then I've been not keeping up with the units. See, the targeting works perfectly now with the healing. So happy it's fixed. A way to see who we have, lol. I mean, I know that's #1 request everybody has, mate. It's just very difficult right now to do it. I could make as I could make tomorrow as a workaround. Whenever you guys put exclamation mark missing, it will tell you 3 random characters that you guys are missing. Or something like that. Will that work? Okay. Okay, I can work on that tomorrow. It will just display on text on top. Yo, Freya. I want Freya. Absolutely. Look, Freya still has the old limit break system from FF8. It's a little bit scuffed. It's very glitched. It's a reason why I don't use this system anymore. Yo, I see permanently on that though. That's a glitcherino. For some reason it's impermanent limit break. But it does nothing. Oh, Rinoa is the other healer that got the changes. Remember when Rinoa used to be the goddess of the bot? She still probably is very good, but you know, power creep and all that. The patch with FF9 really pushed power quite a lot, because after that I made the limit breaks and gave them to everybody but the FF8 characters. That's why they have been falling behind. Her damage is still good, but she just doesn't have a limit break, which is pretty pivotal. The character is doing good. Got that Dragon Crest. I have almost no attack either. But you know, because Dragon Crest. Oh my god, 3 Demon Slices. Jesus Christ, Jack, he fucked you over. See, that heal was pretty good, even though... You know... Drains on his face... Okay, we need to heal the tank. Somebody throw him a bone. Yeah, Freya is very glitched. Ítem bueno. We still haven't seen Lightning, right? I can't believe it. Even with increased chances. You know the bad side, the bosses also heal a lot with Cure. Oh my god, and she's doing nothing but curing. Yeah, that is because like it doesn't show on number the percentage, if that makes sense. Yeah, the way I made the bot, there wasn't an easy way to do so. That's something I might fix in the future, but not for now. Now, that was a healing wind. You notice Fury Brand also healed a little bit. Ever so slightly. Yeah, because she has no limit break. Mork. It doesn't matter, look at those crazy dragon crests of Heras. Nice on you. Auto potion. Well, it's been on the rework of Squall for a while now. Once he got his semi break. I've never seen it, I guess. Squall is right now pretty good. Actual functional tank. Wait. This multi-party battle, I came in nearly death. Can you repeat the whole message? Not sure what you mean. Multi-part battle, I came in nearly death. Oh yeah. We only get heal a little bit at the end of every battle. Nice fight, Aga. You see, we are gonna get heal a little bit. Looks like Squall loses HP, but it's just because he loses the taunt effect that doubles the HP. In reality, he does get healed. GG, friends. Time to solo. Solo shit. And no lining yet. I can't believe it. What is this orange we're having, mates? Man, I just don't get to do anything. Possessed just smacked me first time. Gotta hang out around here more often, mate. Get those crazy levels. You can also put on preference HP. It will help you being alive. Hey, did you revive Fairies yet? Did I revive Fairies yet? I'm on it. Oh, wait, you don't revive her, right? She never gets to die with the new glitch. No, not yet. I haven't really messed up with the glitch yet. Oh, Terra! Does it also survive? Oh. Oh, wait, I know, I guess she gets to die, actually. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. I need to try out that glitch. The setup is similar to the old calm skip, but more complicated now. But the concept is similar. There is no escape. Dun-dun-dun. Wait, don't they go like... Do they do Yuffie warping? 'Cause I saw them doing like the warm-up walking over the water, I think. I think I run into one thing to stop me from 100% rebirth. Damn it, piano song. The next last one is the bloody bullshit. There is one that is really bad, yeah. There is one I have not completed myself. Doo-doo-doo-dum. You can revive fires with no glitch. Wait, so Yuffie warping is not a glitch anymore? Like, I guess I'm very confused. Doo-doo-doo-dum. Whenever I get a chance, I'll sit down and try to replicate the setup just for fun, mostly. There's probably like several YouTube tutorials by now. I mean, no visual bug where you run across a skipping scenario. Oh. Mm-hmm. Do-do-do. Man, we're not popping lining. Mm-hmm. Yuffie warping Ganip. That's cool, mate. I didn't know they were using Yuffie warping for it. That should tell you how uninformed I am with this glitch yet. But really don't want to do all the side stuff again. I like the game if I skip everything and I just focus on the story. I was enjoying my time with hard mode so much in Rebirth. Because I was brute forcing it at like low level and no setup. But then I had to start the marathon, so I couldn't really finish. It is very new. Found 2 months ago. Oh, so wait, you're not talking about like this one that is like the newest one, right? They do on PS4. Stream of the new saga for Epi, the musical starting, so I'll be jumping out. Good luck on the programming. Alright, mate. Thank you. I'm probably done programming for the day. We finished lining, but we cannot test her because she's just not popping. God damn it. That's it, mate. I'm cheating. We are all gonna be hiding lining in a second. That's right, mates. We are cheating. Alright, everybody join in. And get ready for your hires. As I said, you get everything off the game. You keep the inventory before she dies. Hell yeah. Imagine if you could clone the inventory from Iris, because the game gives you everything she has, but you still recruit her anyways. You still put him on the team, regardless. I wonder if that's a thing. Alright, mates. Lining for hire. Get her while it's hot. Team lining. She has 1 magic attack though. Exactly, so it might not be a character for you, Triplet. But she's still pretty fast though. Yeah, she specifically targets... Oh, I just realized there is a glitch in the launch. She specifically targets people whenever they are at less than 30%. Otherwise, she doesn't bother healing. It's not her main thing to heal, if that makes sense. Landing, launch, 0. Yeah, okay. We might crash the bot. Let me save before. Hopefully we don't crash it. Yeah, we did. Alright, everybody join in again, mates. The launching should work as internet now. Everybody joining. Wait. Oh, because you changed to Queen Alol. The weird glitch of the first battle. And I crashed the bot. Exactly how? With the landing launching for as non-existent function. Landing. What? What do you mean this doesn't exist? Oh. Oh my god. I'm sorry, mates. Sorry. Alright. It should work now. Hopefully. I have a mini 3D effect for the launch. Well, it's not 3D. It's the illusion of 3D. If it works, that is. Oh, I guess I should probably explain how Lightning works. She has an AI. If your target is at if there is a party member that is at less than 30% HP, she will heal. If there is an enemy that is weak to thunder, she will choose to use her thunder attacks, Spark Strike and Thunder. And if everything else fails, she uses her commando abilities, Launch and Blitz. You see? That mini landing effect. Okay, the bot glitches out a little bit whenever there is 2 attacks at the same time. And there is the crazy animations. I'll figure that out, fix eventually. Just because we both did at the same time. And you and me attacked at the same time. Instead of one after the other. Oh my god, she just cooked the robot. Queena, you just ate the robot. I haven't changed it. I think it's because that attack in particular is physical for some reason. Could it be? Yeah. It's physical. Alright. Boom, fixed. Let's give it some more reasonable potency. I'll save later. I don't wanna crash the boat right now. That attack was from when I was doing the 7 gauntlet, and I was giving AoEs very low potency because I was like, oh my god, they're AoEs, they're gonna be dealing a lot, but since then I've been buffing most of the AoEs, just Storm Breath was one of them that I didn't. And it was physical. Guys, should the launch be higher? Will I just launch it to the sky? Oh god, I think we give double the XP. For that one. I think we gave 2 victories. Nice optimize. Yeah, it doesn't launch high enough, I think. So get us the framework for Sabin suplex. Yep, that's gonna be free. It's gonna be basically the same. Launch enemy. Boom, higher. Okay, hopefully we don't crash here. Yo, we didn't crash the boat after saving. Well, hopefully I made it good for Final Fantasy 13 fans. I try to make characters as good as I can. Even though I'm a known hater of Final Fantasy 13. But you guys got to experience the process of me making a character from scratch. It only took, what, like 2 hours and a half this time? Semi-complicated character, but not the worst. Hate is a strong word, I just never really liked the combat. Do-do-do-do. Suplex the wall, let's go! Oh, it's not launching it. Guys, don't kill the wall yet. Don't kill it. No! With the Renzo, the speed. That was a very good attack. Should I give this weakness targeting to all magic users whenever they have access to different elements? Like, let's say BB. Like, should he, like, over here actually targeting the weakness? I think that makes sense, right? Mm-hmm. This definitely feels like FF6 by now, to be honest. More and more and more, especially with those custom animations that we are starting to get. Holy shit, Valcier. Jesus Christ. He's cracked. Alright, so if anybody, I guess before going to bed, if anybody wants to download my bot and use it on your own channel, it's free to get, it's free to download. Just follow that link over there. You don't have to give me a shout out or anything. You have the option to pay for it if you want, but it's completely optional. You don't get any different version if you pay or not. It's absolutely free. Only choose to pay if you want to support me and help me out. If you want to give me a bone for all the work. And that being said, mates, I think I'm gonna go to bed. I'm death tired. Guess I'll put this link on YouTube too. Just put it in there. Alright, thank you everybody for stopping by, mates, and see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.